Welcome to the past simple or past continuous. I TV when the phone rang. The correct answer is was watching. Use past continuous for a long action interrupted by a short action. They breakfast when I arrived. The correct answer is were having. Use past continuous for an action in progress when another event happened. He put on his coat, grabbed his bag, and the house. The correct answer is left. Use past simple for a sequence of completed actions in a story. While I was cooking my sister the car. The correct answer is was washing. Use past continuous for parallel actions happening at the same time. She very fast when the accident happened. The correct answer is was driving. Use past continuous to describe the situation leading up to an event. It to rain while we were playing football. The correct answer is started. Use past simple for the short action that interrupts the long action. What you doing at 8 p.m. last night? The correct answer is were. Use past continuous to ask about an activity in progress at a specific time. I saw him, but he me. The correct answer is didn't see. Use past simple for a completed negative event and state of verb see. The sun and the birds were singing. The correct answer is was shining. Use past continuous to set the background scene atmosphere. We to the cinema last weekend. The correct answer is went. Use past simple for a completed action in the past. Signal last weekend. You sleeping when I called? The correct answer is were. Use were nachhining for yes-no questions in past continuous. He off the ladder while he was painting the ceiling. The correct answer is fell. Use past simple for the specific event that happened during a longer action. I understand the question yesterday. The correct answer is didn't. Use didn't plus verb for negatives in past simple. While she for the bus, she read a book. The correct answer is was waiting. Use past continuous after while for the longer duration. The music stopped and everyone. The correct answer is clapped. Use past simple for consecutive actions, one after another.